Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to save one-time photo in WhatsApp. So let's just say, for example, you have received this message. So this message means that you can only view this photo once, and unfortunately, there is no way to save one-time photo in WhatsApp, but there are other ways in order for you to save this. So first is you just have to simply open this message. And then when you click the message for one-time photo here on WhatsApp, you have three things to do that. First is you can grab a phone and take a picture of this. I mean, other device and take a picture of this. Number two, you can also screenshot this in order for you to save or have another copy. Or you can use also a screen recorder in order for you to record your screen here on your WhatsApp. So again, three things in order for you to save a one-time photo here in WhatsApp. Get another device, take a picture, screenshot, or you can use a screen recorder. Now, you can also do this method in case you can simply go to your WhatsApp, and then this time we're going to do a chat backup. So open your WhatsApp and then go to your settings, scroll down till you see these chats right here, and then scroll down again. And then what you're going to do is to click this chat backup and then backup. So you can do frequency daily, and whenever you log out or sign in to another device, or if ever you uninstall this and install again and open your WhatsApp, then probably you can see that photo, or you can save that one-time photo. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.